Hey, welcome to Hive, where you can stay up to date with the latest updates about marketing, sales, and business. You can also get more details from our website at www.livehive.com. Now it's time to explore SugarCRM. Is it the right CRM for your business? Customer Relationship Management, or CRM, refers to all the applications, strategies, exercises, and methodologies that businesses utilize for scrutinizing and superintending consumer interactions and information. A famous CRM, like SugarCRM, will empower your firm to stay on your business's relationships with people. It does not matter whether they are buyers, employees, suppliers, or teammates. Keeping SugarCRM from a better rating is the need for user-friendliness across the platform. You can tell it situated itself as a huge business CRM, and it anticipates everybody to have a development team to train representatives on using it. That being said, with the right open-minded staff and many tech-savvy people in the office, you can still execute this CRM software and procure the many services and sales benefits it offers. SugarCRM is a leading customer management system, serving around 50,000 companies with sales and marketing tasks. Its service has over 7 million downloads and is accessible in 9 different languages. One of the most profitable aspects is the ability to form your product. SugarCRM is a famous open-source platform, so you can bend and tweak it to provide you with the essential data and information for your business. Let's discuss some primary benefits of SugarCRM. All of its functions and features are great. First, however, take a look at some of the things that make SugarCRM an intelligent business decision too. Number 1. Engagement. SugarCRM bundles and oversees client-backed systems conveniently and productively. Each person working for your support group has access to complete client personas so they can handle any issue, big or small, and do not need to reroute callers through the entire company endlessly. In addition, every member of your support team works inside the same platform and pulls client data from the same place. This consistent transition of information makes for better client experiences. Number 2. Easy to understand marketing campaigns. The dashboard has the Campaign Wizard, one of the major components that isolated SugarCRM from its competition. The wizard helps you collect leads and disseminate forms within the engagement programs. You can also rate tips, assess them, and pass them to agents. There is a step-by-step tutorial with plenty of training, making it easy to understand even if you're not a marketing person. Number 3. Contact management. One of the fundamental reasons most trade proprietors get a CRM is to keep track of leads and contacts. A few solutions offer a broad but complicated way to do this, whereas others give a simple, bare-bones tool. With SugarCRM, including contacts and leads only takes a couple of clicks, and when you're done filling out the contact sheet, you can file them to the account, tag them, and give a star to them. Even you can do all of this in bunches with bulk editing. It is a multi-currency and multilingual software, so there are no boundaries. Number 4. Plenty of integrations. SugarCRM is an excellent software for larger companies with strong tech teams. But of course, you won't integrate it with many simple and popular business apps you usually see. Still, Sugar Exchange has a public API code, which we think is even better. Number 5. Smart reporting. Another central portion of customer relationship management is understanding your clients and estimating the clients to come. SugarCRM will summarize your current execution and give you easy-to-understand data sheets. You'll also get figure trends and alerts about potential issues to settle down the road. In addition, you can create dashboards for your intelligent reporting and search them using different filters. What about SugarCRM pricing? SugarCRM gives a 7-day free trial, but only for its SugarServe package. This customer management solution has 5 different pricing plans, which are pretty expensive and inappropriate for new companies or businesses on a limited budget. Also, all of the plans are charged annually, which means you have to make a critical investment at that moment because you cannot cancel if it does not meet your requirements. As a complex software, you need to budget for implementation, training, and customizations, and keep up the solution over the cost of the year's contract. Sugar Professional, $52 per user per month. This package includes sales forecasting, automation, lead management, reporting, data, call center automation, 15 GB storage, customer support, and cloud or on-site deployment. Sugar Enterprise, $85 per user per month. This package includes all previous features, product-level quotes, enhanced workflow, role-based view, support for Oracle, and 60 GB storage. With these packages, you get a little bit of everything across the 3 major platforms. However, suppose you want the entire Sugar Market software. In that case, pricing starts at $1,000 per month billed annually, and that offers you 10,000 contacts, unlimited users, unlimited emails and landing pages, and phone support. How will SugarCRM help your business? There's no doubt that after the execution of SugarCRM inside your business processes, most of the hassle will be weeded out. Different applications for tracking deal forecasts and marketing campaigns would be the ones that would get praise for these accomplishments. To summarize, SugarCRM features can assist you in making any trade in how it should be done, efficient and fast. Because of SugarCRM, you can make a two-way loop between marketing and sales. It would streamline the flow of information between different teams within your organization and spearhead your business towards much more efficient customer base management. What makes SugarCRM different and unique? Let's get right to the point. First and foremost, SugarCRM is consistent with all famous operating systems like Apple OS X, Windows, and Linux. So redundancy is eliminated within the organization, and data migration towards SugarCRM would be swift and accordant. Moving on, the mobile compatibility features of SugarCRM are a colossal plus as well. Mobile SugarCRM is compatible with Android, iOS, and Windows. Now it won't matter which phone your sales representatives and workers use in a field circumstance. All popular mobile operating systems are SugarCRM consistent, and you will never miss out on any lead because of installation and compatibility issues. One of the essential features of SugarCRM is the deployment options it provides. SugarCRM underpins both on-premise and cloud deployment. On-premise deployment permits systems that are hosted in the user's facility to be a part of SugarCRM. Users will be permitted to get to the system remotely. On the other hand, cloud deployment empowers the SugarCRM software to be delivered as a service, SaaS. SaaS, or web-based software, is hosted on the vendor's or service provider's servers. Clients get to the software through any gadget compatible with the system and have an internet connection. Moving on, SugarCRM gives excellent support. Online case accommodation with quick support is one of the 4 most widely acclaimed features of SugarCRM. Unlimited online case submission is free of cost if the subscription fee has been paid. Response times change depending on the package and priority level of the case, but are still exceptionally fast nonetheless. Sugar Proficient response time is usually around 4 to 6 hours. Sugar Endeavor ranges from 2 hours to 3 hours. Sugar Ultimate ranges from 1 to 2 hours. Other than that, toll-free phone support is accessible 12 hours a day, 5 days a week, and all of this can be included in the subscription fee for Sugar Venture and Sugar Ultimate users. Sugar Professional users can purchase it. Sugar Ultimate users can also buy 24/7 phone support for high-priority cases. Every business is built upon specific values and procedures. Your business rests on the standard work mechanism created initially before adopting SugarCRM. After providing a simple support mechanism, the SugarCRM software fixes most of the complexities in the organizational and hierarchical structures. It helps you manage your sales channels, ventures, bargains, tickets, support, and the general workflow by displaying the reports and statistics on a single interface. With CRM software, you do not have to bother your teammates and representatives and remind them about their assignments or search through the complete history of your your company's data, logs, and invoices, using a magnifying glass to determine the history and importance of financial or budgetary deals with an old client. Since the data is readily accessible, is only a click away in the SugarCRM. That covers SugarCRM in a nutshell.
Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so you can join the live Hive squad and be a part of our channel. Thank you for watching.